In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a tax on your items. We'll walk through every step together, so by the end, you'll have all the knowledge you need to confidently set it up. Let's dive right in and make this task a breeze. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the left sidebar on your screen. Here, you'll find a section labeled Items. Go ahead and click that. This is going to be your starting point for adding and modifying your items. It's one of the key areas where you can manage all the intricate details concerning your products or services. Now, once you've clicked on Items and you're adding a new item, you'll start noticing that there are various fields you need to fill out. These fields are crucial because they help define what your item is and how it operates within your inventory. As you fill out these necessary fields, make sure you meticulously input the correct information to keep everything organized and functional. If you scroll down to the bottom of the form, you'll encounter the tax section. This section is vital when applying taxes to your items. However, before you can assign a tax to an item, you need to have a tax set up beforehand. Think of it as laying the groundwork before building a house. You need that foundation in place. If you haven't created a tax rate yet, take a moment to set that up in your tax or financial settings. This step is crucial because it determines how tax will be applied to each item you list. Once your tax rates are ready, go back to your items form, and you can simply click to select a tax from the drop-down menu. Here, you'll be presented with the tax options you've already set up. At this point, you can choose a specific tax rate for the item you're working on. This selection allows you to tailor how taxes are applied, depending on the nature of the item or perhaps the location-specific tax regulations you're dealing with. For instance, you might see two tax rates if you've set up a standard rate and a reduced rate. This is an example of how different options can appear based on what you've previously configured. And just like that, you've successfully added a tax to your item. It's a relatively simple process once you have a grasp on navigating through the settings and understanding the importance of presetting tax rates. Just remember to always double-check your selections to ensure that everything is applied correctly. This practice will save you potential headaches down the line. Thank you for following along. Keep practicing these steps, and before you know it, applying taxes will become second nature. See you in the next video.